Addition. Now children, we will understand the concept of addition. For that, let us see this picture. In this picture, there are two matkas placed on a stool, one above the other. Now the lady is bringing one more matka on her head. Now she is placing that matka on the two matkas. So now two matkas and one more matka makes, yes, 2 plus 1, 3 matkas. Let us see the next picture. Shreya is busy with her gardening. There are 4 plants. Now Shreya is planting 3 more plants. So 4 plants and 3 more plants makes, yes, 7 plants. Here is a flower pot with 4 flowers in it. Ruchi wants to add 2 more flowers to it. So, 4 flowers and 2 flowers makes 6 flowers. Did you get it? All right. Introducing plus sign for addition. Let us see the first picture. In the first picture, we see 2 white rabbits, and in the second, there is 1 pink rabbit. Now, 2 white rabbits plus 1 pink rabbit is equal to 3 rabbits. Now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 fish. Now 5 plus 4 is equal to, right, 9 fish. In the next picture, we have 1, 2, 3 leaves. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves. Now 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 leaves. So write 8 in the box. Now the last one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 umbrellas. And here there are 2 umbrellas. Now 5 plus 2 means 7 umbrellas. So write 7 in the box. Addition. Write the proper number in each of the empty boxes. In the first picture, children, we see ice creams. Now let us see how many ice creams are there. Well, here there are 1, 2 ice creams. And now we have 1, 2, 3 ice creams. Now 2 ice creams plus 3 ice creams is equal to 3, 4, 5 ice creams. So in all there are 5 ice creams. Let us proceed towards apples. How many apples are there in the first row? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. And how many apples are there in the second? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. Let us see how many apples are there in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 apples are there in total. Now, let us see the balloons. There is one balloon. And how many balloons are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balloons. Now 1 balloon plus 7 balloons would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balloons. Let us see the balls. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Now 5 plus 4 would be 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. Now these are crayons. Let us count these crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crayons. And how many are these? 1, 2, 3. 3 crayons. Now 6 plus 3 would be 7, 8, 9. 9 crayons. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 lollipops. And in the next row we have 1, 2, 3. 3 lollipops. Now 3 plus 3 would be 4, 5, 6. So in total we have 6 lollipops. Addition. What problems? There are 3 bananas in the basket. 2 more were put in it. How many bananas in the basket now? Well, as you can see, children, there were 3 bananas in the basket. 2 more were put into the basket, which means 3 plus 2, and that would be 4, 5. So, 5 bananas are there in the basket now. Four lambs and 2 lambs. How many lambs altogether? Now there are 4 lambs. And these are 2 lambs. 4 plus 2 would be 5, 6. So there are 6 lambs altogether. Two balloons and 7 balloons make a total of how many balloons? Now this man has 2 balloons in hand and the balloon seller has 7 balloons in his hand. Total number of balloons would be? Yes, 2 plus 7. Let's add them. That would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, in total, there are 9 balloons. Got that? All right. Addition. Try this yourself. 2 plus 3 is equal to dash. Now, there are 2 marbles. If you add 3 more marbles to it, that would be 3, 4, 5. 5 marbles. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Three plus 2 is equal to dash. Now here there are 3 marbles. If you add 2 more marbles to it, that would be 4, 5. 5 marbles again. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 as well. Two plus 1 is equal to dash. Now here there are 2 leaves. If one more leaf is added to it, that would be 2, 3. 3 leaves in all. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now 1 plus 2 is equal to dash. If 2 leaves are added to 1 leaf, that would be 2, 3. 3 leaves again. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 as well. Addition of 2 and 3 gives 5. It is written as 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and it is read as 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now children, even when you change the order of numbers we are adding, the sum remains the same. Addition. Now do this yourself. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 4 equals 5 as well. 5 plus 2 is equal to 6, 7. 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Now 2 plus 5 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 equals 7 as well. It seems like magic, no? Now 3 plus 4 equals 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. How about 4 plus 3? 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7 as well. Now kids, did you notice that addition 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 are the same? As I told you earlier, the additions 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1 are the same too. The addition 2 plus 5 and 5 plus 2 are the same. The additions 4 plus 1 and 1 plus 4 are the same too. The additions 3 plus 4 and 4 plus 3 are same as well. Addition continued. Here are a few sums. Let's try and solve them. Now let us see the first sum. Children, just imagine if you have one marble and one more marble is added to it, that would be 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means 2 marbles. If you have 2 marbles and one more marble is added to it, that would be 2 marbles plus 1 marble, that is 3 marbles. Similarly, if you have 3 marbles and one more marble is added to it, that would be 3 plus 1, which means 4 marbles. If you have 4 marbles and 1 marble is added to it, that would be 4 plus 1, 5 marbles. If you have 5 marbles and 1 more marble is added to it, that would be 5 plus 1, 6 marbles. If you have 6 marbles and 1 more marble is added to it, that would be 6 plus 1, 7 marbles. Now that you have 7 marbles and 1 more marble is added to it, that would be 7 plus 1, 8 marbles. Now you have 8 marbles and 1 more marble is added to it. That would be 8 plus 1, 9 marbles. Let us try and do it again. Now if you have 1 marble and 2 more marbles are added to it, it would be 1 plus 2, that is 3 marbles. If you have 2 marbles and 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 2, 4 marbles. If you have 3 marbles and 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 3 plus 2, 5 marbles. In case you have 4 marbles and 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 4 plus 2, 6 marbles. If you have 5 marbles, 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 5 plus 2, 7 marbles. In case you have 6 marbles and 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 6 plus 2, 8 marbles. If you have 7 marbles, 2 more marbles are added to it, that would be 7 plus 2, 9 marbles. In case you have 1 marble and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 3, 4 marbles. If you are having 2 marbles and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 3, 5 marbles. If you have 3 marbles and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 3 plus 3, 6 marbles. If you have 4 marbles and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 4 plus 3, 7 marbles. If you have 5 marbles and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 5 plus 3, 8 marbles. If you have 6 marbles and 3 more marbles are added to it, that would be 6 plus 3, 9 marbles. Now if you have 1 marble, 4 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 4, 5 marbles. If you have 2 marbles and 4 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 4, which is 6 marbles. If you have 3 marbles and 4 more marbles are added to it, that would be 3 plus 4, 7 marbles. In case you have 4 marbles and 4 more marbles are added to it, that would be 4 plus 4, 8 marbles. If you have 5 marbles and 4 more marbles are added to it, that would be 5 plus 4, 9 marbles. If you have 1 marble and 5 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 5, 6 marbles. If you have 2 marbles and 5 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 5, 7 marbles. If you have 3 marbles and 5 more marbles are added to it, That would be 3 plus 5, 8 marbles. In case you have 4 marbles and 5 more marbles are added to it, that would be 4 plus 5, 9 marbles. If you have 1 marble and 6 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 6, 7 marbles. If you have 2 marbles and 6 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 6, 8 marbles. If you have 3 marbles and 6 more marbles are added to it, that would be 3 plus 6, 9 marbles. If you have 1 marble and 7 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 7, 8 marbles. In case you have 2 marbles and 7 more marbles are added to it, that would be 2 plus 7, 9 marbles. If you have 1 marble and 8 more marbles are added to it, that would be 1 plus 8, 9 marbles. Let's see by how many ways we can get the sum of two numbers as 8. Now what should be added to 3 to get 8? Let's begin counting from 3 till 8. So it would be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 5 should be added to 3 to get 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. What should be added to 6 to get 8? Let's start the counting from 6. So it is 7, 8. 2 should be added to 6 to get 8. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. What should be added to 1 to get 8? Our counting will begin from 1 till 8. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 should be added to 1 to get 8, which means 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. What should be added to 4 to get 8? If we start the counting, it would be 5, 6, 7, 8, which means 4 should be added to 4 to get 8. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Now, what should be added to which number in order to get 7? Let us find different combinations. Now, what should be added to 2 to get 7? For that, we can begin our counting with 2 and end with 7. So it would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means 5 should be added to 2 to get 7. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. What should be added to 5 to get 7? Let's start the counting with 5. So it is 6, 7, which means 2 should be added to 5 to get 7. What should be added to 6 to get 7? Now let us begin our counting with 6. So it is 7, which means 1 should be added to 6 to get 7. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. What should be added to 4 to get 7? Let's begin our counting with 4 and end with 7. So it would be 5, 6, 7. 3 must be added to 4 to get 7. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 as well.